Hi, I'm Cindy, a concept artist. My job allows me to stamp and be creative with our products pretty much every day. One of the things that sets Stampin' Up! Apart in the creative world is our high-quality red rubber stamps and exclusive artistic designs. While we offer stamps in both rubber and photopolymer, each medium has its own benefits and advantages. I'm here to focus on our red rubber stamps with lots of fine detail. Let's look at this new Celebration stamp set, Feels Like Home. This set was hand-illustrated by an artist and then carefully reviewed to make sure lines are within manufacturing specifications. Once the artwork is completed, digital files are sent to Kanab, Utah, where our stamps are manufactured. The first step is ordering a make plate from an outside vendor. When the make plate is used to produce multiple matrix boards. The metric boards are essentially molds that are used in the rubber vulcanization process. One of the benefits of producing red rubber stamps is that we can produce images with fine detail. However, some detail is lost during the manufacturing process. It is normal for a stamped image to vary slightly from the original digital design. We put together a list of tips and best practices that can help stampers achieve the best results when using stamps with lots of fine detail. First, your ink pad needs to be sufficiently inked in order to get good coverage on the entire surface of the stamp. This is the result of not having enough ink. After re-inking your ink pad, apply ink with your stamp image face up. Next, you need a medium amount of pressure without pushing too hard. Third, make sure that the surface of the stamp is clean and ready for ink to be evenly applied. You can use our chamois or Stampin' Scrub and Mist to ensure the surface is clean. Sometimes there may be residue from the manufacturing process or from use. A clean surface will ensure even ink application and help prevent the ink from pooling. This new Celebration stamp set is intricate and pretty. These first samples show how great this set looks just stamped in a single color. Or you can add some fun, loose watercolor to dress it up. No matter how you decide to use this stamp set, we hope that these tips can help you achieve a stamped project you love. And since this is a Celebration stamp set, it's something that you earn for free during our most popular promotion of the year. For more information about Celebration, please contact your demonstrator or visit stampinup.com. We look forward to seeing your creations with our Feels Like Home stamp set.